well. My mom is driving me to the airport and it is 7:30 AM. I woke up at 6 and kind of dying, but it's fine.
Attention, even if you're frequent flyers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thanks. We've landed! Say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, we just arrived and we're looking for everybody else because a few of the other G2 Making the Squad contestants are meant to have arrived. We have no idea where they are, so we shall find them. So we've been walking, we just trekked in this random building up some massive stairs to find out it's not the correct building. And
Ruby is not worth 60 camels.
I'm worth a lot of camels, but we're lost. We're lost. I knew it. So you already know the title of this vlog is Getting Lost in Germany. Well, guys, we've arrived.
I'm too lazy. It's everyone's holiday.
Here's the crib. We literally got lost like a couple times. We went into 2 wrong apartment buildings and knocked on like a door, and it was an old lady that came up and it wasn't the right room, but we finally found it. Rose came out and found us. We're just looking for a place to eat some food. Gang's up behind me. We've just finished our dinner. It was very nice. I mean, it was like a lunch dinner. And now look how amazing this place looks. There's Ollie. Hey! Stevie's doing his IRL stream.
Ruby's doing her vlog. Yeah, so
Oh,
you
okay,
know
just
that's
chatting
absolutely
shit.
He's got a full rig.
Amanda says hi, Rose.
Rose, the sensible one, has a full bag.
For toast?
She's got a full bag to Mum Rose, and I'm buying me some sweets. Okay, so last night I was way too tired to finish the vlog, but today we've got all the gang here. We're gonna go out and do some sightseeing. Bells going off. I was just too tired. Went to sleep last night. We played some Mario, and yeah, we're all ready.
Ruby is the best photographer of this group. I'm telling you, like.
We're in Alexanderplatz. Did I say that right?
Yes. Yep.
Yep. There's the massive tower up there. And yeah, we're just going on a little walk. Alif has never had a churro before.
I mean, it's so hot.
He's having his first churro.
It's very hot.
Yeah. What do you think?
Very sweet. It's like sweet bread.
Kind of,
Yeah, kind of. And it's
kind
nice
of.
though. It's very nice.
And here we have Ollie in his natural habitat next to a very tall building. Not surprised, seeing as he is a giant. We are in the bottom of the big tower with Mickey. The others are background there. We're just gonna go to the top and hopefully get some good views. Oh, the
See how
speed.
fast we're going up? Let's go.
I don't like the light dimming.
Oh, it's actually fun. Oh wait, look up.
Oh my god, look up. Holy, that's fast.
Oh my god.
Holy.
We're up in the tower and look at the view. Look how crazy that is. Ah, nice. We've arrived now. You guys can hardly see me. I look like a lion. But we're inside the Christmas market. They've got a little hot chocolate and rum right there.
Wait, idiot, wait.
I don't want to
Smell it, it smells
Baileys and
good.
hot.
We've just stopped off and got some German sausages. All these, you can go and eat in his. Little cute, look at that. Crazy. Yeah, it's very nice. And nice and warm over here as well. Look at that. Ollie's getting a waffle. I already made him do this, but I wasn't recording. And I'm getting a Nutella crepe. for our dessert for lunch. After those big sausages. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Nice. Mine's making over here. Myself and Ollie had already had our like sausages and our food in the Christmas place, but the others just stopped off up in here and they had some food for like lunch. They had like a late lunch, but it was kind of like a dinner. They had some big food, and now it's like evening time. There's Ollie all the way over there. It's starting to get lit up. Look, there's the Ferris wheel. We took a nice photo there earlier, and now we're all about to go see some like monuments and stuff. They're taking photos in this security camera.
Wait, where's the cameras? Which one?
Camera's right there. There you go. Wave to it.
Hello, my friend. Hi, my friend.
Right there. But first, Starbucks. Mickey, go on.
Let's go. Let's go.
So I want the dessert.
What?
Come on, guys, don't be shy.
It is freezing, and we are at the, I can't remember what this is called. We're at this place.
Well, did you know the Holy Roman Empire used to expand into what is now known as Germany, which is why all these columns and shit like that are all here. Yeah.
History man Ollie, watch out. Rose got me to get on the back of one of these scooter things yesterday, and she was riding it and it was dangerous. We were just gonna go get pizza and we nearly died. Oh. Look at him go. Go on, Jonas. Rose. Hey.
Bye-bye.
She's off. Here's some more of the Berlin Wall, and you can see like the line there that it went across. That's so cool. So a soldier from each side is on there, of each side of the Berlin Wall. That's so sick. Mickey just by himself. Mickey! My hands are so cold. They're like falling off, but look. These train stations in Berlin are crazy. Look at him. So we just had a cocktail in this little place right here.
And she's waved.
She's waved. It was really strong, but it's fine. And look, it's snowing. Guys, yesterday I didn't actually vlog, but we went to visit the G2 HQ and it was really cool. I'm actually G2 dripped out right now, but yeah, it was really cool. We went, I can't actually show you the footage. I didn't take my vlog camera, I took my phone and I did record some stuff, but I'm not allowed to show you it just yet. Today is our last day. We are packed, myself and Ollie. We're going home, there's Mickey and Elif, and we're just going to meet the others. They went out for food. We're gonna meet them and then we're gonna be off.
I like me better when I'm with you.